Get ready to have your mind blown, tech lovers! Welcome to the future with 22 new gadgets and inventions of 2025 that you'll absolutely want to get your hands on. From game-changing AI devices to jaw-dropping smart tech, we're diving into the coolest, most innovative gear that's about to revolutionize how you live, work, and play. You can find links to all these gadgets in the description. Buckle up, because these futuristic must-haves are going to leave you speechless. Let's jump right in. HangBot Sirius, the world's first trainable AI robotic dog. It takes robotic pets to a whole new level with its trainable AI and lifelike personality. The 5 TOPS AI processor enables voice, gesture, and facial recognition for smooth, natural interactions. Its aerospace-grade aluminum body is strong yet lightweight, making it both durable and portable. The ability to customize its persona from a playful corgi to a loyal husky adds a personal touch for every owner. With a Red Dot award-winning design and up to an hour of active use, Sirius stands out as both a technological marvel and a lovable companion. Einson, the future of ironing. Einson transforms the chore of ironing into a quick, effortless experience. Its sleek, printer-like design and patented 3D ironing system deliver crisp results in under a minute. The superheated dry steam smooths even stubborn wrinkles while leaving clothes ready to wear immediately. 3 modes, hygiene, eco, and refresh, make it versatile for different needs, from sanitizing to freshening garments. Compact, safe, and stylish, Einson is a must-have for anyone wanting professional results without the hassle. The Teggy RC robot dog packs a surprising amount of personality and fun into a single toy. From walking and turning to performing push-ups and kung fu dances, its range of actions is impressive. The included app offers voice control, feeding interactions, and motion programming for a truly interactive experience. Kids and adults alike will enjoy the music, stories, and playful tricks it performs. This bionic smart dog is an educational and entertaining gift that keeps the fun going for hours. StormGuard, waterproof surge protector. This is a rugged and reliable solution for outdoor power needs. With 6 AC outlets and a heavy-duty 25-foot copper cable, it handles multiple high-powered devices with ease. Its IPX9 waterproof rating and silicone-sealed covers ensure dependable performance even in heavy rain. The tough build withstands harsh environments, while flexible mounting options make setup simple anywhere. Perfect for backyard parties, camping, or job sites, StormGuard offers the safety and durability outdoor setups demand. This waist-hanging fan is a game-changer for staying cool on the move. The turbocharged airflow and 3-speed settings deliver just the right amount of cooling for any activity. Its clip-on design allows hands-free comfort whether cooking, gardening, or walking outside. The 4,500 mAh battery ensures long-lasting use, making it perfect for daily outings. Compact and versatile, it's like carrying a personal air conditioner wherever the day leads. The Ulanzi Smart Pixel Clock is both a stylish display and a productivity booster. With 256 vibrant LED beads, it showcases customizable pixel art, animations, and messages in stunning color. Content creators will love the real-time YouTube follower counter, while the Pomodoro timer helps keep work sessions on track. Weather updates, Autrix integration, and a rechargeable battery make it even more versatile. Sleek, fun, and functional, it's a brilliant addition to any workspace. This open-ear headphones combine comfort, safety, and quality sound in one sleek package. The lightweight design with soft hooks ensures all-day wear without irritation. Open ear awareness keeps users in tune with surroundings while enjoying music or calls. The titanium-coated drivers produce balanced, crystal-clear audio with rich mids and highs. With an IPX5 rating and up to 40 hours of total playtime, these headphones are ready for any adventure. This 8-mag Wi-Fi surveillance robot camera delivers crystal-clear 4K resolution and smooth AI tracking for peace of mind. Its color night vision ensures vivid details even in low light, making it perfect for both day and night monitoring. The 360-degree PTZ coverage eliminates blind spots, while two-way audio adds interactive security. Dual-band Wi-Fi keeps the connection stable, and storage support up to 128 gigabytes ensures plenty of recording space. Packed with advanced features, it's a reliable and high-quality home security choice. This mini FPV eyeglasses camera offers an immersive first-person recording experience with crisp Ultra HD visuals. The IPS display makes it easy to adjust settings and preview footage on the go. Its 250 mAh battery supports up to an hour of continuous shooting, perfect for capturing long events. Wireless app control adds convenience, enabling instant sharing and adjustments. Clear audio recording ensures voices and sounds are captured naturally. Voice prompts make operation intuitive, even without looking. The IKKO Mind One Pro blends portability and power in a unique card-sized design. Its vibrant 4.0 2-inch AMOLED display with sapphire glass offers stunning visuals and durability. Built-in AI tools for translation, summaries, and productivity tasks work globally. The Flip 50MP Sony camera captures incredible photos from any angle. Audio quality impresses with a hi-fi DAC and 3.5mm jack, and the optional keyboard case boosts productivity. With 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and long battery life, it's a compact powerhouse. The Paper Watch brings creativity and style to wearable tech with its variety of eye-catching designs. Its TFT screen delivers clear visuals for daily use, while the adhesive tape band ensures a comfortable fit. Life waterproof rating means it can handle splashes and rain with ease. Suitable for business, fashion, and casual wear, it adapts to different lifestyles. Lightweight and versatile, it blends functional smartwatch features with a bold fashion statement. This electric pump is a sleek and powerful portable tire inflator designed for cyclists and travelers. Crafted from aluminum alloy, it's both lightweight and durable. The 150 psi capability handles everything from road bike tires to mountain bike setups. Its compatibility with Schrader and Presta valves eliminates the need for extra adapters. The digital pressure gauge and auto stop feature adds safety and ease of use. Compact enough to carry anywhere, it's an essential for quick, reliable inflation. This drone combines professional 8K video capture with smooth flight performance. Its brushless motor and optical flow positioning deliver stability, while dual adjustable cameras provide versatile angles. Four-sided obstacle avoidance ensures safe navigation, even in complex environments. Multiple intelligent flight modes like trajectory flight and gesture photography make aerial shooting simple. Foldable arms and LED navigation lights enhance portability and style. This drone is perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial footage with ease. This LED lights are lightweight, yet powerful tools for content creators. Offering adjustable color temperatures, they adapt to any shooting environment. High CRI 95, ensures accurate, vibrant colors in every shot. Built-in rechargeable batteries provide up to 70 minutes of runtime, with fast charging to keep projects moving. Waterproofing, magnetic mounts, and portability make them ideal for both outdoor and studio use. The RGB option adds creative flexibility for dynamic lighting setups. This 3-in-1 charging stand combines sleek design with powerful charging capabilities. True 15W fast wireless charging with Kitwo certification ensures efficiency for iPhones, Apple Watches, and AirPods. The auto-rotation feature adapts perfectly for standby mode, turning the phone into an intelligent hub. N52 magnets securely hold devices in place while maintaining high charging speeds. Its aluminum alloy body is compact, stylish, and portable, making it ideal for home, office, or travel use. This 8-wheel RC robotic dog delivers an exciting blend of stunts, speed, and style, making it a perfect gift for kids. With 15 stunt modes, including 360-degree spins and obstacle climbing, it keeps playtime thrilling and interactive. The all-terrain design, reinforced suspension, and IPX4 water resistance make it ready for indoor and outdoor fun. Vibrant LED lights, music tracks, and sound effects bring it to life for an immersive experience. Built from impact-resistant ABS and equipped with long-lasting batteries, it's designed for endless adventures. The Lenovo GM2 Pro offers impressive performance for gamers and music lovers alike. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable, low-latency connections, perfect for smooth gameplay. The dual mode feature makes switching between gaming and calls effortless, while 10mm drivers deliver crisp highs and rich bass. Comfortable cushioning and a sweat-proof design make them great for workouts or long sessions. With up to 30 hours of battery life and a stylish charging case, these earbuds combine function with flair. These 4K HD camera glasses combine sleek style with high-quality video recording. Capturing crisp 4K footage at 30 fps, they're ideal for cycling, outdoor adventures, or casual vlogging. The prime lens ensures sharp, detailed images, while the lightweight frame offers all-day comfort. With a quick 1-hour charge providing up to 120 minutes of recording, they're ready for long rides or events. The dual power mode allows continuous recording for uninterrupted moments. This miniature alloy forklift packs big fun into a small package. Built from sturdy zinc alloy, it's durable enough for active play yet detailed enough for display. The functional forks, cargo hook, and included pallet make it feel like the real thing. Smooth remote control lets it move precisely and lift loads with ease. LED lights and engine sounds add to the realistic, engaging experience for both kids and collectors. The Funky's Mini Retro Flip brings classic gaming nostalgia in a pocket-sized form. Its crisp 1.54-inch IPS display makes retro titles pop with vibrant color. The clamshell design protects the screen and slips easily into a pocket or onto a keychain. With responsive buttons and support for thousands of games, it's a fun, portable way to relive gaming history. The Anker Solix C300 DC is a compact powerhouse built for outdoor trips and backup needs. With 288 watt-hour capacity and 300 watt output, it charges multiple devices effortlessly. 7 versatile ports, fast USB-C charging, and solar compatibility make it highly adaptable. The battery ensures long-lasting performance backed by a solid warranty. A built-in pop-up LED lantern adds extra utility for camping or emergencies, while its quiet operation keeps things peaceful. This selfie stick offers versatility with a 1,106mm extension, reinforced tripod, and 360-degree rotation for perfect angles. Built-in double fill lights with 3 color temperatures ensure well-lit photos and videos in any setting. Its lightweight design is easy to carry, while the umbrella-style bracket keeps it stable. The Bluetooth remote works seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices, making capturing moments effortless. Durable and easy to use, it's ideal for travelers and content creators.